they in your way? Oh. Now you landed on your bear. You squished him. How many? You just squished your bear. Yeah. Are you gonna get up that way? Go ahead and get up the hard way.
I think it's faster. She just flips over. Oh, he bounced. She's got to work harder that way. This way she just flips. Are you going to get back in your bed?
Or are you going to do circles? Can you put your bears back on your bed?
Hmm?
Should we play the night-night game? Do you want to play the night-night game?
No, she's putting her bears away, Daddy.
Oh, okay. Here's your panda. That's right. You know where they go, huh? Here, where does he go?
That's a pink bear. It's probably a she.
How do you know he wasn't a red bear and got bleached? What about this guy? Good job. And your glowworm? That's right. It goes up by your head, huh? So you can push him at night. Should we take a nap?
Bear, go closer to her bed.
Let's go take a nap. Go.
What's your daddy doing? Honey, can you tell Daddy to wake up?
Ah! Wake up! Oh.
Do you want to see? Okay.